Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix sound not working, crackling, distorted, or popping audio in Where Winds Meet on PC. First, check the in-game audio settings. Make sure the master volume, SFX volume, and voice volume are turned up. Next, check your Windows output device. Right-click the speaker icon on the taskbar and open Sound Settings. Under Output, select the device you're actually using, such as your speakers or headphones. Now test the device. Click the output device and use the test option. If the sound is distorted here, the issue is related to the device or the driver. Restart the Windows Audio Services. Press the Windows key and type Services, and press Enter. Find and restart Windows Audio and Windows Audio Endpoint Builder. This often fixes popping and crackling sounds. After that, update your audio drivers. Right-click the Start button, open Device Manager, expand Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device and choose Update Driver. If you are using Bluetooth headphones, switch to wired headphones to avoid audio distortion. Finally, verify the game files using your game launcher and make sure Windows is fully updated. Restart your PC and launch the game again. If you still face the issue, try using a different audio device. The problem could be hardware related. Thanks for watching.